Hola estudiantes, esta es la señora Santos. Hoy van a crear su cuenta con Conjuguemos. Sigan las instrucciones para poder crear su cuenta. Students, this is Mrs. Santos. You're going to create an account today with Conjuguemos. Make sure to follow all the instructions to register. First, type in on the URL conjuguemos.com. Then you're going to go to where it says not a member, join us. After that, select student registration. Once you have student registration, you're going to type in your school code. The school code is 63519. The username is very important. Make sure that you type first and last name. Make sure for your password that you type a password that you'll remember. Confirm the password. Enter your first name, last name, select school location, North Carolina, then select submit. Now you're going to have to choose a school. Make sure that it says Mount Morin School. If it does not, select the drop-down menu and click on Mount Morin School. For where it says step 2, choose a teacher, you're going to make sure that you choose Señora Santos. Select for a teacher, Celia Santos. Once you click on step 2, select submit. This step is just as important. Step number 3 is choose a class. You want to make sure that you choose the right class so that you can view the activities for your class. Select the drop-down menu and select the class that you're in. Once you do that, select submit. Once you hit submit, you should see that your registration has been updated and completed. You will see your name, hola, and your name. Once you're here, you are now able to practice any of the activities online. Go to where it says on the top, Student Zone. Click on Student Zone and you're going to be able to see all the vocabulary sets that you're able to practice. Today, you're going to practice present tense regular verbs. Then, you can practice Realidades 1, capítulo 1A, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Let's check out present tense of regular verbs. Once you click on the activity, you can choose to do a verb activity quiz by selecting a time, then selecting on starting, and it will automatically start a time for a quiz. Here you're doing present tense of regular verbs. The pronoun is él, the verb is abrir. The answer is the conjugated form of the verb abrir. So it would be él abre. Select check, and it will tell you if you got it correct. If you're not sure what the verbs are that you're going to need to conjugate, check out where it says verb chart. Verb chart will bring you up to a menu of all the different verbs that you can see on this activity. If you don't want to take the quiz and want to check out other activities that are found on Conjuguemos, you can go ahead and finish and select stop. This will have you finish the activity. I'll say this page will give you the 100% score and it will give you the score that you achieved for that activity. Select OK. Then you're going to go to where it says conjugate. Okay. Conjugate will give you a different verb to do. Here you will see other tenses of the verbs. This is all just present. All verbs and pronouns. If you want to choose and do another activity, you can go back to where it says Student Zone. If you go to Student Zone, you can go to the next activity, which is Realidades 1, Capítulo 1A, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? If you select that, it'll bring you up to the activity, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Where you can take the vocabulary activity quiz. If you choose to do other games or activities, you can simply select on New Interactive Games. With new interactive games, you can choose different games that are found on Conjuguemos. Like Quizlet, you can study the flashcards. It teaches you how to play. If you're not sure, hit close once you've read it, and then start game. Here, very similar to Quizlet, it will show you the cards. Flip it. Tells you what it is in Spanish. End game when you're ready. Tells you how much you've done. There's another activity called crossword. Again, you can see how to play the activity if you're not sure. And then start game when you're ready. This is the practice activity for ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Crossword. There are other activities like hangman, memory, almost like scatter, matching, word search, there are a lot of activities to choose from. Select the activity and practice on Conjuguemos. Once you're ready, now you can practice the new vocabulary.